It's a 2018 Audi A5 Cabriolet. A dual-thread and passionate design and inspiring performance, this Audi A5 combines dynamic handling and muscular styling to elevate your driving experience. And 2018 marks a full redesign while keeping all the fun. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. External memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power convertible roof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM SiriusXM satellite radio, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Every double take this A5 gets is a testament to its adventurous spirit. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.